In this video, I'm going to show you how to use trailing stop loss in TradeLocker. Now, the first thing you want to do once you are inside TradeLocker over here, you want to go to the right-hand side where you can see the buy and sell options over here, where you basically execute your trades, and you want to click on this arrow up over here at the very far right. And then on here, as you can see, there's the option stop loss. Now, you can click on stop loss, but if you actually want to use the trailing stop loss, you want to click on trail next to it, and this will basically initiate a trailing stop loss. You can also do it for market or pending orders, so this is completely up to you. So pending is basically a limit order, and yeah, that's pretty much that. You want to select one of these, whichever one you prefer. Then you want to make sure you have selected trail and stop loss as well. As you can see over here, it's simple, press of a button, and then you have to basically adjust the price, ticks, P&L, and the balance down here, and then you can go ahead, select the lots or the USD, whichever you prefer, and then you can go ahead and press buy, and you've successfully initiated a trailing stop loss order. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.